VECTRAX 7" by 10" swivel base geared head bandsaw. I'm going to fire it up and show you that it does operate. So hit the on switch. The emergency stop switch is missing. However, we just bypassed it. You can get a brand new switch for it. That's your high gear, low gear, and medium gear. Hydraulic down feed. And as the head goes down, hits the switch and turns the contactor off. It is missing the fan and the fan shroud for the motor. As we mentioned, the emergency stop switch. There's a couple little dents along the drip pan here. Strictly cosmetic. It's your coolant pump system. Tested it. It operates very nicely. We checked the swivel function. It operates nicely. The material stop, some blade guard, and we're not quite sure what this piece is, but anyway, the instruction and parts manual. It's unused. It's in real nice condition.